on certain letters, you're going to run into this circumstance where you have been working up here. Remember, as I said at the beginning of the course, that we always work from the bottom going up. So once we get, and we're coming up here, we have to stop. So we are just going to hold our work right here. Okay, so we've come across and we're here. So then we need to start on this side and work our way and build up. And on the very last one here, number 43, is at the end of it, we just create an extra chain and we slip stitch it to here to make it as the beginning join. And then we pick up this one and then start working our way across. So let me demonstrate that in a second. So using these two pieces, I've come across and now I got to chain my 8 at set 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And therefore you just have to take the other panel that you already have done and you are going to slip stitch it to the first one and then tie it off. So this one is completely done here. Okay, so you will weave in the ends at this point, and again, any loose ends that you'll have, just favor the back of the letter so that it's on the inside of the pillow. And you can pull it through here, pull tight and lock it. So therefore the bottom of the seat, the front end of the seat would have been done. And then if this was the body coming around, this is now attached. So at the letter states, then when you're picking up and coming across, you're going to come across here. We're going to jump across the chain and then to the other side. So coming back across where the join was, and remember the number that it was, in this case was 8. So just count and go right into the chain work itself. Don't go around the chain. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you were going to make sure it's not twisting in any kind of weird way, and then just jump to the main body of the next portion of that number or letter. So this is a way to do it in this manner. In the next video, there's another way of doing this, which is similar, but the execution to start it is different. And I'll take you in that one next.